So, good morning. Many people have asked why I always post videos like this. The behind my background is not always plain because it is my vision board, you see, and why I am so shabbily dressed or my getup is like this. So what? Whatever I am saying is of value, right? And what is more important than my vision board? I would have kept a very blank wall, and it would have been very like say my appearance would have been better, and there will be no distraction. But I want you to be distracted about my vision board, right? You want to be disturbed about your vision board, are you? And then why I'm looking like this? See, this is my morning ritual. I always apply oil to my face, and it has to be there on my face for 2 hours, and that is the only beauty treatment that I do, and that actually saves my skin from the sun and from getting wrinkles, and yeah, so these are my values. So what is more important than my values? So that is why I am very rigid, fastidious about my backdrop and my appearance, because whatever I am saying is of value. Just pay an attention, and we all have value systems, a lot of value systems, and we can go on and on and on and for hours to convey you about that. What use? Anybody has any time about anybody's value system? But no, if we have some insight, we need to convey it to somebody so that people get to learn about our own learning, right? And it doesn't take them a lifetime to learn the same insight again, because they can benefit. That is why this video, right? So yeah, so something comes up, and I'm like say I can tell you about how I want to be a very simplified person, very person of simplicity and all, and why one should be simple and but authentic. Yeah, everybody understands that, but how to apply that is the problem in everybody's life. So just be casual about it. Make sure that you are conveying something of value and about yourself. It is not very artificial. You are conveying yourself as you are. So that is what is important, and that is why I am making a video. And each time I come up with some video, it is always with those values. And ultimately, whatever you learn, a tiny little thing, is the only thing that I want to convey to you. Yeah, thank you.